Are you aware of all the features that WhatsApp offers? It's more than just a simple messaging app. Let's delve into some of its key features that you might not know about. Firstly, you can hide your last seen status, navigate to settings, then privacy, and finally last seen. Select nobody to keep your online status a secret. Next, did you know you can read messages without triggering those blue ticks? It's simple. Just turn on airplane mode or disable your Wi-Fi or data. Open WhatsApp, read your messages, then close WhatsApp before turning your network connectivity back on. The blue ticks will only appear when you reply. WhatsApp Web is another useful feature. By scanning a QR code at web.whatsapp.com, you can use WhatsApp on your desktop or laptop. You can also format your text in WhatsApp. Using asterisks makes text bold, underscores italicize text, and tildes strike through text. Keeping track of important chats is easy with the Pin Chats feature. Just long press on a chat and select the pin icon. This keeps the chat at the top of your list. Star important messages to find them easily later. Tap and hold a message, then select the star icon. You can find all your starred messages in the main menu. Your WhatsApp status is a creative canvas. Post photos, videos, or text updates. You can even control who sees your status by customizing your privacy settings. Even stickers can be personalized. Download third-party sticker packs or create your own with apps like Sticker Maker. Mute noisy group chats by selecting the chat, tapping the group name, and choosing Mute. Record voice notes hands-free by swiping up to lock the recording while you're speaking. Use disappearing messages in individual or group chats to have messages vanish after a set period. The Archive Chats feature allows you to hide chats from your main list by swiping right on a chat and selecting Archive. Find specific messages quickly using the search bar within a chat, or by accessing the search option in the main menu. Customize notification sounds, vibrations, and even LED colors for individual contacts or groups. Boost your security with two-step verification. Enable it in Settings, then Account, and finally two-step verification. Group video and voice calls are also possible. Just select New Group Call from the Calls tab. Lastly, WhatsApp Payments allows you to send and receive money securely within chats. In conclusion, WhatsApp is a versatile tool with a multitude of features designed to enhance your messaging experience. From hidden last seen status and blue ticks to personalized stickers, disappearing messages, and more. So why not explore these features today?